JSAUX FlipGo, with the new FlipO dual stacked portable monitors from JSOX, you can boost the ante on your existing laptop. These are ideal for people who wish to work from any place and have several displays because they can connect magnetically and combine a 13.5-inch and a 16-inch screen. And each has 3 touch panels that are linked by a single HDMI output. Various stands allow you to customize the monitors to fit your preferred working style. The monitors also function as a hub, allowing you to connect your peripherals. You can stack the monitors horizontally or vertically, placing them above your laptop screen next to whatever arrangement suits you best. You can purchase multiple units and stack them together to have more than 6 fully portable monitors. Goovies G3X, there are now 3 AR headsets available, and this isn't your Vision Pro. This is a lightweight, fantastic, and reasonably priced headset. The Gvis G3X is slimmer and allows for greater mobility. It's excellent for gaming, entertainment, and even work. It features an incredible 42 ppd glass aspheric lenses, 1080p definition 3D integration, and a huge 800-inch screen with 133% sRGB color gamut. However, the best feature of the Gvis G3X is how light it is. It weighs only 200 g, which is comparable to your phone. You may adjust your nearsightedness from +2D by turning on your drone, plugging in your favorite gaming console, or using your laptop or desktop computer. If you wear glasses, it won't affect anything. Morph Strap, the 8D Morph Strap. This is the new best friend of a go-getter. With just one piece of gear, you can use your phone as a selfie stick. Hanging apparatus, a wearable, and much more, the Morph Strap will make you wonder how you ever managed without it. It's a fashionable yet useful gadget that, with a single twist, can transform from a flexible rope to a stiff rope, whether you need a hanging phone, selfie stick, tripod on the go, or you just want to wear it. Tarzan style, you are no longer constrained by where you may attach your phone, you can place it wherever. It is compatible with the majority of iPhone and Samsung devices, and it. Forward Care Worldwide Pod. This upcoming technology is likely to completely transform the healthcare industry by taking the idea of artificial intelligence and its application to everyone's health with its advanced diagnostics for everyone. This is the Future Care Pod that gives you the ability to manage your own health. The Care Pod looks for diseases in you. Body scans using biometrics, testing of the blood, and a ton more. Care pods are being placed in offices, gyms, and shopping centers, making it's easy to travel to, and you can address your diabetes, high blood pressure, depression, and anxiety. The Care Pod, which is being developed by physicians, prestigious universities, and prominent AI experts, will debut in key US cities with more to follow globally. The Smart Wi-Fi Luxio M8. Luxio M8, microphone with a long-lasting battery that is small and light. Yes, indeed, and it's good for podcasters' businesses. Interviewers and presenters, take a look at this. The Luxio M8 is a simple, lightweight wearable with a fantastic built-in 20-hour battery. It has smart noise reduction, 7 different light modes, and a variety of effects like reverb. It requires no pairing. It plugs straight in and plays. It also has an ear monitoring feature that allows you to hear yourself to make sure you're singing in tune and on the beat. There is no latency. It uses USB-C to connect directly to your recording device, weighs only $9,000. Moto 2, if you're sick of attempting to access your navigation by using multi-view on your phone, might I please have your attention? Instructions while riding. Bina Moto 2 has you covered if you've been worrying about your phone slipping all the time. It's a simple method to plan your navigation and integrates with the cockpit of your bike. You don't have to worry about rerouting while riding thanks to the Beeline Moto 2's glove-friendly buttons, turn-by-turn navigation, and large screen area. Of course, the Moto 2 is lightweight, dust-proof, and USB-C or Pogo pin charged. It also features LED alerts and sounds for turning awareness and a twinkly matrix time to get. Twinkly matrix, completely immersive and use the twinkly matrix to improve your decor game. This is not your typical pixel art, rather, it's a complete motion with an integrated app that allows you to control the display or use your Windows device to mirror your screen for a unique way of showing images. This LED tech display offers you fluid positioning and precise graphics reminiscent of the large Vegas-style outdoor displays. It's also reasonably priced. The Sparkling the Matrix is available in two sizes. 1.6 by 7.9 feet or 3.3 by. The cables retract effortlessly, and with the built-in surge and overpower protection, you won't burn out or overheat. The USM's magnetic power bank comes in black or white and a variety of. A power bank without a power bank charger, an episode wouldn't be complete, and here is the Medi power bank charger with a. The USMA's magnetic power bank has a massive 19,999 milliliter capacity and is designed to keep you energized and full of juice. What sets the USM's apart from other power banks is its 45-watt fast-charging dual output. You can magnetically adjust the power bank to charge an iPhone or USB-C device. With capacity as OK, you can equip your card reader module with the newest and best all-in-one solution available. Get to your SD cards more quickly and maintain organization. K is made for artists who create content on devices that write directly to SD cards. You can now access those cards without going through each one individually. K is made with security in mind. It has multiple layers of protection to prevent unintentional spills and drops from damaging your cards. It has a fast 10 GB per second transfer speed and can accommodate all of your needs. Up to 4 SD cards, 12 TF cards, and 4 nano SIM cards can be stored in it. It has a JCK pin and a USB converter. With the Wi-Fi Smart MQ5, we have a fun flashlight that is rechargeable and magnetically quick release. Flashlight that the clever folks at Emart call the MQ5. It is a carry-around device that you just need to grab for. It is made of brass or grade 5 titanium and turns on instantly. Taking it off the pin gives you 130 lumens for 8 hours of non-stop light. It is only 5.1 centimeters tall, yet it can support 2.5 kilograms of weight securely, and the wireless charger allows you to keep it charged rapidly. A flat break X1 with the Wearable Break X1, a 4-in-1 party karaoke machine. Get your party on and enjoy some awful singing. This Wi-Fi and Bluetooth-capable device, which has a built-in tablet and large speaker, can run continuously for 6 hours on 100 watts of power. The tablet, which is running Android 13, comes pre-installed with YouTube and Spotify. You can easily move the BRAC X1 to any party location thanks to its carry strap and built-in microphones, which have the same features as Tesla's microphones, for external microphone or guitar inputs, gain controls, USB inputs, aux in and outs, and everything you need for a celebration. Orbit 1 Can Opener, Corn Creamed Corn Can Opener Sardines and Tuna. Hey, don't worry about whatever's in your can, just utilize the kitchen. Anyone of any age may use the Mama Orbit Can Opener because it is lightweight, automatic, and has 2 blades. All you need to do is press a single button. The sides of the single can opener are extremely smooth. So there are no accidental cuts with the Orbit, and your new best friend in the kitchen. One can opener is entirely hygienic and does not come into contact with any food. It can be used on cans of any size or shape, so why not start canning now?